Okay, hello dear friends, good evening. Here I am on my channel, and you can see I have uploaded a new video that is, yes, let's take a look. I will put on, we will skip ad and put on full screen to see it. This video is my recording and with some of my silk painting. I am sorry, please excuse me. Suddenly there is something in my throat. So this kind of video is relatively easy to make, although I have just learned it today, and it took me something like a couple of days, one day, a couple of hours to learn. I am not perfect at it, but still I would like to share with you and to share my experience, how I learned it, how I made it. So the following video is about how this kind of voice-over picture kind of video is made. I hope this kind of video makes your experience easier, makes your creativity a more shareable, or make you a more way of sharing your creativity. Thank you very much. I love you. I really do. Okay, hello dear friends. And this one we are making some voice memo, and we are making some recording. You can definitely, I use my cell phone to make a recording. You can use the microphone from your cell phone directly. And if you already have a microphone, why not use it, right? So I plug in. I always wear this little hair. Okay, so open it up, and I already come to the voice memo. So here is a voice memo program. My son helped me to download it, and I open it up. And also another thing I want to let you know. So when I do any recording, before I make recording, I always hear this bzzz sound. I did not understand why. There are a gazillion reasons why it is, but I make sure now when I do recording, I put into airplane mode. So in airplane mode, the cellular's network sound will not interfere with the cell phone. Anyway, this is what I realize. Maybe this is not perfectly right. The magnetic field or the electronic field from the network will not interfere with it. So put into airplane mode. This is just a little details. Okay, we come back to the voice memo and start to record. And if you see this blue, let's see, we are recording. Hello, hello, oh, this is good. When it is blue, this is recording, and stop. This is 6 seconds. I do not want to keep it because this is not good sound. Let's hear how the sound is. So because I'm very far away, so this is not good at all. I put it down and delete this one, delete. Okay, now I am serious to do some recording. I think I need to put into this white one. Okay, you will see here the green starts to flash. That is good. This one still is trying. I will delete this one. Now we are getting serious into it. I put the gain to the maximum, and then put it down a little bit. This is how I do it. I do not have a measurement or meter to measure what is right, what is wrong, but maximum and one thumb down. You can do 2 or 3 thumb down, then it's almost, the gain is 0. Gain is too low, then you cannot hear anything. So now we put to the maximum, going down. Okay, now we start to record. Okay, are we ready? We will listen. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. And I just want to chat with you, blah, blah, blah. Okay? 10 seconds is long enough. Okay, now we hear it. I put in. Okay, I tested with my headset and it is actually quite good. I will put it into the video. So the next one, when you finish this, you upload it to my computer. So I use AirDrop and upload to my computer. And the voice file is very slow, so this is why I make this kind of blah blah video, because voice file is so small comparing with video files. So we had the sound file. Now we work on the computer. Okay, so now we put that file onto the recording file onto our desktop, and you can, I just realized that it is very small file. So we go to iMovie and download this sound file from our desktop, and it's 1, right? We call it 1. So import selected. So now we import it in. Now we want to have some pictures, right? So I go to my file and find some silk painting. How about I have some silk painting? Let's because it's pretty. So we go to silk painting. There is a landscape that is quite pretty. Might be this one or this one. This one looks good, right? Okay, no, okay, we do this one. Let's do this. This one. Now it's a square. Okay, just do the square one. Okay, so we import selected, and you can select several image and several sound file, and I have only one sound file, so I will use it, let you see what is happening. Okay, so you put in this picture into your video editor, iMovie video editor, and put the soundtrack in the video editor. Okay, here it's too big, we put it into a smaller font. We can see. Okay, they are starting from exactly the same time. So okay, now I zoom in. Wait me a moment. Okay, this should be good. We will zoom in our screen. Okay, a bit more. Not in a rush, a bit more. So you can see this file is 15 seconds and this one is only 4 seconds. Can you see it? Okay, I make it a bit, increase a little bit of the font size. You can see a little bit more. Oh, still you do not see. Yes, this one is only 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Did you see here? 4 seconds. And this one is 15 seconds. So what I want to do is I extend it a little bit. Once I extend it, I can come back to the information of this, the info of it, and put into 15 seconds the duration. Duration here is 44 seconds. Okay, I want to repeat. No, not repeat. I make it 17 seconds. Okay, so come back down. You can see when I press 17 seconds, then it is much longer. And now what do I do? We can choose this can burn. Can burn, it already have it has its way of starting where and finishing where, and it's not very dramatic. We want to make it a little bit more dramatic. So I start from the right corner and a bit small, like this, or even smaller, and we end up to the right. Okay, so this is done. Enter. Now we can see how this video is played. Okay, now we will play this video. You can hear the sound. I put the sound louder. I think you can. Sorry, I'm playing some background music. Let me close it up. I do not want you to see my screen. Jing, 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 jing. Study sound music. Okay, it's gone. Okay, we go back here. Now we will play this video. I even put in the loudest voice. Still, hello dear friends, good evening. It's not very, hello dear friends, good very strong voice. I need to adjust here. Okay, I stop this one. And the picture does not have sound, right? But the sound file has sound. You select it and come back here to take a look. Okay. Okay, so I can select this sound. This sound right now is 100%. I can select it into 400%. Okay, now we listen to the sound. Don't be shocked. It's much louder. Okay. Okay, let's play it now. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. And I just want to chat with you. Blah, blah, blah. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful. So you can see, you can adjust. Sometimes when it is too noisy, did you see here is something yellowish? It means it is a little bit too loud. So you can either cut it out. I can come to see in detail. Ah, this is the sound. Okay, I will split it and cut out this one. So move a little bit, starting too loud. Dear friend. So it is missing. Then it starts to miss something. So you will, what you can do is that you lower that volume. Okay, I go back. Do not delete it. And this part, I will put the sound to, oh, yeah, I put to 87%. Now let's see. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. So this is much more softer like this. And okay, we can play this video from beginning to the end. Only 15 seconds. You can suffer it. I think you can deal with it. I'm sorry for the shaking. Okay, come to the very beginning. And we put into full screen. Now, hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. And I just want to chat with you, blah, blah, blah. Okay? 10 seconds is long enough. Play it again. I make it even bigger screen. I'm sorry, this tripod is not doing the best job for now. Anyway, okay, let's do it again. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. And I just want to chat with you, blah, blah, blah. Okay? 10 seconds is long enough. Okay, so this is how I add up sound. Sometimes I make 2 or 3, I add up 2 or 3 soundtrack, and sometimes choose different pictures. This way I do not, on the one hand, when I do not want to show myself or do not have something that I think that is viewable enough, then I just record some sounds, which I can record in my toilet, in my bedroom, in the car, in a small corner or somewhere, just to record good quality, pristine sound. And I can take this opportunity to show off some of my paintings, for example. And if you are a good photographer, show some of your wonderful work. Or if you do not want to show anything, you can edit it by putting on a background and writing down some powerful words. Okay, for example, this one, you can put, okay, let's work hard. Let's build a beautiful world. Let's make, let's reach our dream. Let's make dream. Let's dream. Let's dream together. Not in the same bed. Let's dream together. I mean, yeah, something like it. Yes. And that's about it. Thank you very much. And I hope my experience can encourage you and can let you find your new output or exit of your energy, your positive, beautiful energy. I love you. I really do. Do.